Hi, Dad. Thank you for being the best father ever. Why? Because I love you.
Your voice matters, your story matters, and to somebody out there, your story will be the difference between them giving up and going on. So tell your story.
I finally reached TVJ, and Brian is around at the front, and I had to hurry up and screechy round to the side. So I'm getting ready to go inside.
I didn't cry, I actually just, if you're not following soooo sessions, you're not saying nothing. You know what I say? Jerome said she drop a rhyme. I watch Sim all the time. You see, Sim, she always up on people's mind because she knows that everybody have to do the grind. But then after time, when hearts get blind, she just tell you, say, yo, you just have to shine.
Back. It's all true. Respect. Good job,
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they bring us some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video right here on Stuff from the Cuffs, where we give you fire, we give you fun, we're inspirational, we're real, and we're educational. So we haven't done a vlog in a while, but definitely this time around, and for this purpose, I think it is more than worth vlogging. And so I'll be taking you along this surprise journey that we have for Brian. So if you're new to the channel, I'm Basilia, my husband is Brian, and we have two daughters, Bria and Bella. And today I'm alone because I am helping to pull this surprise all together. So you may be asking what the surprise is. All right, before I tell you what it is, make sure that you like this video, leave us a comment, share with your friends, and of course, if you're new, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you know every time we drop a new video. All right, thank you so very much in advance. All right, so Brian will be appearing on the TV show Soul Sessions with Simone Clark Cooper on TVJ. And he doesn't know that a few surprises are in the mix. So one of the surprises, well, it's not one, but one thing that will, I know, blow him away is the fact that I'm listening to see the girls coming, is the fact that I am.
So I'm doing a behind the scenes lead up to Soul Sessions. I've been asked to be a guest. And first up, let me give God thanks for this opportunity, because it has to be him. If I'm honest with you, I would be what would be considered the least of the apostles as it relates to appearing on his show. When you look at all the guests that she has had, all the big names, all the influence that they've had on different sectors of Jamaica and the world. When I was called by the producer, I was like, okay, all right, yeah, so maybe they want, stuff from the cuffs. Maybe they want Basilia. When they said me, I was like, up until this very day, I'm wondering if they made a mistake. Yeah, so I'm humbled and I'm honored to be invited, to be given a chance to share my story on this wide scale. They've been doing an amazing work over there, and I look forward to seeing them continue. They've been blessing so many people, inspiring so many people, helping so many people. And I'm just gonna do my part, I'm just gonna do what I can to add to all the influence that they've been having. And I just hope somebody is encouraged or blessed by my story. And yeah, so I'm actually going to freshen up for my big appearance on TV. So this is me before. We'll see what it looks like after. Then I'm gonna get some clothes. Yeah, you can't come on TV and look the same way you normally look. You have to do a little extra, you know?
I am planning with the producer to surprise him with videos from some of his close family and friends, and these videos will appear during the show. And also, he doesn't know that I will be surprising him on set to give my message of love in person. Yeah, so he is actually going to leave out before me. Well, he's actually gone on the road now, so he can't hear me. He's going to leave out before me on Sunday to go and do the recording, and then I'm going to leave out like half an hour behind him so that I can go to the studio. He'll already be there, so I'm actually going to turn up at the studio after him and then wait backstage in order to surprise him when the time is right. I'm not going to give you the details of what the entire interview is about. You have to check it out on TVJ. By the time we show you this vlog, it would have already been aired, and so you will be seeing, you know, what happened behind the scenes and in the whole planning stages. All right, so what I'm going to do is record the video of Bella and Bria, their message to him, and then we will finish the planning for Sunday when we will go and surprise him on set. I'm the only one that's going to be surprising him on set, because, you know, the girls are going to have a whale of a time on the people I'm set, so we're not going to have them there. They're going to record their video, but I'm going to take you along for this journey, guys. I'm so excited. I'm so excited because Brian deserves this and so much more. Oh my God, good husband. I can't wait. In the meantime, though, make sure that you go on over to Sim Soul Session, Simone Clark Cooper, her YouTube page. She has a YouTube page, and the link to her channel will be down in the description, so that you can follow her as well and see all the other amazing people that she has featured on her show.
I mean, I really have to trim still, you know. It's just that, you know, you want to make it look a little smoother. You don't know boy look good anyway, take it any day. Beard a reach, guys, beard a reach. Yo! Side I give me a little fight, but it's the reach. I'm getting there. Fresh, ready to go. Hairstyle done. Barber did a good job. Big up my barber at Ultimate Barbers, you don't know. Giving me the ultimate look.
Thank you for being the best father and dad.
Hold on.
Hi, Dad. Thank you for being the best father ever. I know, but thank you for taking care of me for my headache. And thank you for telling me what to do and not what to do.
Alright, so I've arrived at TVJ. Think we nervous before? No, I'm nervous. But, you know, the tendency is there to say to yourself, you know, who are you compared to some of the other big names that have come on. But as I said earlier, you have a story. And to somebody out there who is watching, you know, don't think about others, don't compare. Do not even try to say, you know, I don't match up or I don't line up as it relates to being somebody, or my story is nothing compared to somebody else's. Your voice matters, your story matters, and to somebody out there, your story will be the difference between them giving up and going on. So tell your story. I mean, it may not be on this bigger scale yet, but tell your story. All right.
I have finally reached TVJ, and Brian is around at the front, and I had to hurry up and screechy round to the side. So I'm getting ready to go inside. Yeah, I'm getting ready to go inside The producer just came. No, I'm coming, baby. The producer just came and told me that she's gonna bring him through the front and then me through the back. I said, one piece of planning and mystery and surprise. So yeah, it's about to go down. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Bria's in the back, say hi. And Bella is around there too. Yeah, so we're gonna get this surprise started. All right, guys, stay tuned.
Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In the world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. 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 Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs.
Whew. Alright guys, we finished being on Sim Soul session. I didn't expect her to be here, but it was just wow. Being able to tell our story, to inspire somebody else, to be a part of this historic movement. Whew. How do you feel?
You'll see all the details, guys, when the episode airs. How do I feel? I'm just so happy that we pulled it
She lied
off.
to me. No, she never lied
I
to
didn't
me.
lie. I never
Guys,
lied.
my wife went behind my back.
Never lied.
But it was for a good reason.
And we had fun. And so, again, make sure that you follow Simone Clark Cooper on YouTube, and you can see some of the previous episodes. By the time you see this vlog, the episode would have already aired, right? And so you'll just see behind the scenes, and Bria and Bella are here with us as well.
Nobody talk about the fact that I cried, alright? I didn't even cry. I just barely shed some tears.
Holla.
You don't know what hollering is, it seems, right?
The tissue's still wet.
That's Wendy Z. Guys, that's Wendy. Great person. Great person.
So many times, you see, Renee.
So many times.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna get you.
We have with us Simone Clark Cooper.
Inspiration,
Listen.
teacher, friend, colleague. Oh.
Holy things. And of course, we told you earlier to make sure that you follow her on YouTube and watch her sessions on TVJ. But Simone, we are so inspired by what you're doing. I heard somebody say the other day, Simone is the Jamaican Oprah.
Wow.
And I thought that was such an honor because we need things like this.
I'll tell you why I laugh. And it's about team members. We call it soooo. Right?
Oh.
Because it's something that we've heard. I come in Capoeira, but nobody's talking about Oprah.
Yeah.
But our version, Sing Soul Sessions, is like a soap washing off your heart. So we just put like a soap with the Oprah, and so I'm so proud. Sim Oprah. So proud.
I'm so proud.
And so
And we're so proud.
I'm so proud.
Yeah.
That's the max. So I'll take it.
What inspired you to actually start doing this?
I wanted to spread the word that there is hope after after pain. And having been at a point in my life where I experienced a lot of pain and I did not see my way clear, I decided that if I ever got out of it, then it was an obligation for me to say to somebody else, if you find yourself at this place, whatever the place comprises, because I experienced it different, the pain is the same, right? What I will tell people is just, if you just keep going, you will see the light and you will get out of whatever the situation is. And so because God has been so good to me in my own journey, I just wanted to pay it forward. Because let people know that hope is always there, it's a constant, and that as long as you keep going, you can do it. That's why I did it.
And continue to do it.
We love it. So when can persons watch and where can they find the replays?
It's Monday night at 8:30 on TVJ. Also on One Spot for those of you on these people channel who are outside of Jamaica.
March 15.
March 15 is Brian's airings. So you can watch it on TVJ, you can watch it on One Spot. If you miss it, you can catch it on Thursday at 11 o'clock for the rebroadcast. And if you miss that, then you can catch up with it at your own convenience on YouTube on Friday. So, but I'm happy. I'm glad you was here.
I'm-
And you cried.
I'm gonna delete that part. Nobody remembers that I cried, alright? I didn't cry, I actually just did something.
He cried. He cried and I loved it.
If you're not following Sim Soul Sessions, you're not saying nothing. You know what I say? Jerome said we should drop a rhyme. Watch Sim all the time. You see, Sim she always up on people's mind because she knows that everybody have to do the grind. But then after time, when hearts get blind, she just tell you, say, yo, you just have to shine.
Back.
It's all true. Respect. Good job, Brad.
So guys, yeah, we're having dinner before we go back home, just to top off the surprise. So how are you feeling?
I'm humble, I'm grateful, and I hope that somebody is blessed by the blessings that life has given.
Yeah, and we're so very happy to share our story with the world on different platforms. And as usual, we thank you for being along on this journey with us. Brian was extremely surprised, and you may have seen it already in the video, in the episode. But yeah, it was a great experience, and we did it. We pulled it off.
Yeah, a little thing was in my eye, you know. I got it out.
Alright guys, so we're wrapping up this vlog. Yeah, wrapping up this vlog with dinner. Thank you so much for watching another video.
Turn on in the building.
Yeah. Make sure that you like, share, subscribe, leave us a comment before you go, and as usual, stay tuned for another video.